Hello, all. Welcome to our channel. So our channel will be Digital Rakesh. So you are watching first time, you can clearly watch the each and every video steps. So I can promoting one video in YouTube channel option. In a YouTube channel uploading purpose, four major tips. Your title, description, tags, playlist. Title will be 100 characters. Description will be 5000 characters. And you will be using for tax will be 500. Playlist will be your wish. How many you can use? Each way using for playlist. So video will be making using of Canva option. The video will be using for Canva will making and upload by here. So the library will be selected from the YouTube option. There's no copyright. Sir, my video is copyright or not? How we can find out? When video uploading time, first of all, what are the video you're making here? This video will come to here. The 1 minute 40 seconds. We can, what are the title you're using will be here. The title you can select it will be here. So copy online training. We can go to YouTube, select create, just drag and drop. Simple version, drag and drop. First, out of 100 character, it is visible by the, you can see here, 76 character will be here. So after this one, writing will be SAP SF EC training. So this will be finished. SAP SF EC training. So that is I'm give the shortcut option. After writing, coming to the description part. Two things remember. What are the content you have? Everything will be here in a particular website. Copy the content, paste it here. Before that, what are the URL you have? Paste here. And other social media links we can add by the footer option. So after this one, add your thumbnail. After that, you can add your playlist. Any relevant playlist here. Your company name is a common playlist will be here. Add it. Next, playlist purpose, you first of all build the keywords. The keywords are must and should important. So in each video, how many playlists you can add it? Your wish. So how many keywords you have to use in a particular video, use that particular playlist. So here I'm using for the important playlist for the particular keyword. That will be here, this option. So playlist is mandatory or not? Compulsory playlist is a mandatory field to every video option. How do people research one video? So many types are there. The so many types we can utilize will be here. So this will be your particular add your playlist option. But here, adding for few more playlists will be here. Yes. Then this playlist. Remaining playlist you can add it. US, UK, what are the playlists you have? Add your all playlists will be here. Other country wise will be here. So complete you can using for online training will be using for online training option will be here. that we will be selecting from in this option. Best will be no need for the here. Just one keyword is best enough. So already we can add it. Location wise, only using for shortcut keywords. After this one, major important key point is called tags. The tags will be copy this. What are the keyword you have? Copy. Tags don't exceed 100 characters. Don't exceed will be 100 characters in this. Success factor, online training, and training. Next will be SAP SF EC training, SAG SF advanced EC training. People using for shortcut SAP training, SAP SF training. Next one, SAP success factor advanced. So they will give the score will be here out of 50 by 39 score. So how this score will be show to the YouTube channel? This is a purpose. Every YouTube channel we have to sign up with the vidiq.com. vidiq will be two things. First, vidiq. Every website compulsory they can follow this website. For YouTube channel, give the proper score purpose. First of all, you can sign up. This is a very easy sign up. Log in with the Gmail. What are the YouTube channel select by directly onto the vidiq.com. After this, they can add your question name is called add your channel. So channel will adding for properly done. So it is you are using for see this how many views, subscriber, everything will be here. After that, you can install by the browser extension. Same when you're searching Google, they show extension and URL. Sign in with your Gmail account and add it. This browser extension compass you can follow will be here. Automatically the login will be here. So this is automatic login. Once you can log in Google, so automatically browser extension. So this browser extension, what is the help? I'll told you. So you have the number of videos are there in your particular. So coming to the scroll down, what is called trending video. So my video is going to trending. Why it is going video will be trending. My video, how is it going for trending? Open this particular video. Careful to watch. Right side of the column, see this. They can show complete information. Yes or no? Video score and view per hour and views everything. So why they come into Google Trend? View per hour, the people watching for 4 lakhs members this video. This information will be given by the video toolbar. My video, how many people watching, and every 60 minutes, how many people watching, 48 hours, 7 days. Every information will given by the video toolbar. This compass important, which who are using for YouTube channels. After this one, there is the information purpose. Is it clear? So this below information will show by video toolbar. So after this one, any video is watching is anyone is doing, the below will showing for 1, 2 like this. So you can go to my channel like this. View per hour, view per hour. Anybody watching video, that is called view per hour option is there. So that is called compulsory follow instructions to this particular video toolbar, each and every YouTube channel. There's one simple step. Open website, sign up with your Google, add your channel. Toolbar install, leave it. Automatically, video toolbar install. After this one, go to channel, enable the all features. Only your task is enable all feature. This is a 2 times repeated, 1 time will be not required. 60 minutes, how many people watching? Last 7 days. Last 7 days. How many subscribers? How many last 48 hours people will watching my video? So when you increase the views, so automatically you're getting the business leads. So here, where is the video? Now, Next will be recording date, language English. You always suppose your video will be Telugu, add your Telugu language. Next, video location. I'm not add any specific location. This will be global wise online training keyword. If I'm using Hyderabad, mention Hyderabad. If I'm using Ahmedabad, use Ahmedabad keyword. If I'm using for US, using the US keyword. After this one, so tags done, everything done. The score out of 50, 39.2 is there. What is the mistake is called? One is called our domain tag. Second thing will be here. Next. When it is coming to green color, it is a valid SEO score. When it is coming to green color, valid SEO score. So success factor. These are the main keyword, employee central. After this one, simple, online. Everything done. Click for next. So category always using for people and blog. Suppose you are into any education, add education. As you wish. If you are education, add by the education. This will be education video. Click for next. After that, end screen. End screen, always remember, click for add. Select your end symbol. What are the previous videos you have? Click video and subscribers. Only two options, video and subscriber. So can I add the one more end screen? End screen is coupled by the four. 1, 2, 3, 4. On entire video, the supporting for 4. But we are adding only for 2. One is here, one is visible like this. Without disturbance. And save. And cards. Cards will be adding for 5 cards will be added. But we can add only 4 cards. One is the sponsor cards that will be showing in the ad time. So any video can show will be how many cards? 5. But we are adding only for 4. So what does the card mean? Card mean what are the previous videos are there? That is the videos you can add by the cards. Purpose of we can give information to the particular user. Second thing is called your domain name is the playlist. In each video, what is the domain name playlist? Compass add your particular option. So where we can visible this future, I'll show you after uploading video. Next, any video we can upload will be private mode. Okay. Yeah. Video is finished. After video finishing, done. Major task is called your channel settings. Go to channel, click for settings. First of all, go to channel here. Your Indian currency, advanced settings. No settings, this channel will be made for kids. Compulsory, you have to enable this option. No. Future playlist, compulsory 3 will enable. Here, one option is called your phone number verification. If his phone number is not verified your channel, what will happen? 3 mistakes is done. Video longer than 50 minutes, we can't post. Custom thumbnail and live streaming. We can't do the live streaming option. Close. We can go for click for settings. First channel. Indian currency. This is your complete channel keywords. What is channel keyword? Overall channel, what is the keywords? So what is my trainings? Everything will be adding will be here. The supporting will be 500. Is it clear? SAP, HCM, all kind of trainings will be here. So everything will be here. Keywords. Next, upload. Upload time, advanced settings. This will be what is the education purpose, not people and blogs. English language, everything will be here. Hold comment. Show how many viewers like this video. Language, everything is there. Standard YouTube license. Allow automatical chapter and key movements. Basic info. Everything is there. This will be using for private mode. Second thing is called two keywords will be common for your particular tag option. What is the common keyword? One is your domain name without space, with the space. Here another keyword is called SAP. So you are promoting for SAP, that is called you are adding for SC option. Suppose you have multiple courses, don't add a SAP, only adding for domain name with space, without space. This is the uploading default. This is a channel keyword. Channel keyword nothing but and upload keyword nothing but each video separate keyword is called upload default keywords. Overall channel, how to advertise, the based on your keywords. So any keyword is missing, overall your keywords. So for how many courses are there? Every course keyword we have to show by the into YouTube channel keyword options mandatory field. These three options compulsory important. General is a currency. Channel is called basic information, keywords. Advanced settings will be compulsory no, and we can go for the every option. Future eligibility, three will be enabled. Suppose your first time creating channel, your first time creating channel, this will be not enabled. After few four videos, they enable by this feature. So enable not required immediately. You can upload your voter ID and video verification. They can go to video verification. I'm so and so. You can explain and do the things. Channel uploads. Basic info, title, description, and publicity. So description time, you have to follow one option. What is that? Overall information is available. That is called. You can go to this option. SMO content. This is the overall information. See this. All keywords are included. Key feature included. Everything. So is it clear? This is the overall channel information. Here one thing is missing. Add your social media icons. What are the icons are there? Every icons, copy and notepad, paste onto the upload default option. Clearly watch. Upload default is called total channel. What are the keywords you have? Upload in description method. So when you upload in new time, the description will be common. The description will be common. Only title and here is the title, you have to change it. Where add the new title will be here. What are the title you mentioned? Same title will be adding here. Compulsory. What are the title you mentioned in the title? Same title you mentioned by the description. Title will be should be pipe symbol, each keyword. But description will be comma option. Save. So the video previously private mode. Now will be public. Set as a premier and publish it. So this is the way we can make the video, proper channel setup and activate your each and every video option. First of all, create a user account after creating for branding account. So always remember user and branding will be different. So this will be only will create by the user account. But compulsory, every channel will require for the user account and branding channel will be here. So this is a follow method. Upload video on the particular YouTube channel option. What are the four methods important? Title, description, tags, and playlist. The final conclusion one is called your YouTube thumbnail. Clear and visible thumbnail upload on YouTube channel option. So this is the follow method to upload the video always premium option. YouTube shorts less than minute. Long video we can go for more than minute. So that is a follow option to make the video purpose. Any further question, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.